rationalizing factor. And we know that how to write the rationalizing factor of some numbers. Let me go for taking few examples. Suppose root 5 is there. What is its rationalizing factor? Rationalizing factor of root 5 is, this is root 5 only. Rationalizing factor of 2 into root 5. Again it is root 5. Rationalizing factor of 2 by 3 into root 5. This is root 5 only. Right? Similarly, in general, we write what is the rationalizing factor of root x? It is root x only. Square root of xy. Its rationalizing factor is square root of xy. Square root of xyz. Square root of xyz. 11 by 3 into square root of xyz. xyz only. Square root of x plus y. Its rationalizing factor is square root of x plus y only. So these are all monomial irrational numbers and their corresponding rationalizing factors. We will go for taking the binomial irrational numbers, like it is 2 plus root 5. Binomial irrational, then its rationalizing factor, nothing but conjugate, is taken as 2 minus root 5. If it is root 2 plus root 5 is there, then we write root 2 minus root 5. If it is 11 minus root 3 is there, its conjugate is 11 plus root 3. If it is root x plus root y is there, in general it is to be written as root x minus root 5. So these are binomial irrational numbers, then with their corresponding conjugates. Yeah, we cannot have. Okay. Technical department will give you a chance, nothing to worry. Just as I have been giving the, making you to recall the concepts, so that they have not yet given you the chance. Next, in addition with that, even we focused on operations on real numbers. We know that we have, with respect to this, we have classified the surds into two types, like and unlike surds. All like surds can be added, subtracted, divided, or even multiplied. Sanjana SL, let your attention be here. Similarly, unlike surds cannot be added, cannot be subtracted, but they can be multiplied or divided if and only if their order is, say, yes or no. What do you say? Yes or no? If it is yes, you show the sign like this, or else like this. Good girls, good girls. Sanjita, good. Larissa, good. Yes. Okay. Dear students, in yesterday's class, we were focusing on rationalizing the denominator, which means converting the irrational number which is in the denominator into a rational number. Right? In that, 3 problems were over now. Rationalizing the denominator. How many? 3 were over. Now, let me go for taking up 4th one. Prashant sir, you may unmute everybody.
Four over, sir.
4 were over, sir.
4 over, sir.
4 are over. Huh? Okay.
4 over, sir.
Enough. I can hear. Now let's move on to 5th one. I think you had written the main. I think 4 sub questions were over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 5th one. 5th sub question. We are going to rationalize the denominator. Wait, just to check that whether it was over. 5 by root 3 minus root 5.
Over,
Sir,
sir.
over, sir.
Sir, over.
And check this one. 1 by 7 plus 3 into root 2.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Not over, no?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let me go for taking this. Right. 1 by 1 writing quick as possible. 7 plus 3 into root 2. Prashast, have you copied? Have you copied? Oh, good. Right. In the denominator, we have a binomial irrational number. Now, let's go
Sir,
for
read it,
taking
blur.
it conjugate. Please go and write it with me.
Sir,
Solution.
blur, sir. Video is blur.
Prithvi, you are really different from others. Take the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate of the denominator, that is 7 plus 3 into root 2 is. Yagna, could you tell what is its conjugate?
Sir, 7 minus 3 into 2.
Very
Root
good. 3 into root 2. Ah, okay. Next, right. The given irrational number is 1 by 7 plus 3 into root. This is equal to, write this as it is 7 plus 3 into root 2. Multiply this conjugate to the numerator as well as denominator. Aditya Praveen Anvekar, good boy. Yes. You have followed my instruction what I had given yesterday. I appreciate. Yes. 7 minus 3 into root 2 by 7 minus 3 into root 2. Next, this is equal to, please go on writing with me. I won't give you a separate time for copying this. Should go on writing. 1 into the numerator term as it is. To the right, 7 minus 3 into root 2. Denominator. Observe, on multiplying these two, you will come to know they are in the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A square 7 whole square minus b square. It is 3 into root 2 whole square. Here you may give the reason as a square minus a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. This is equal to, write numerator as it is 7 minus 3 into root 2. Denominator 7 square, this is 49 minus.
Minus 18.
Wait, don't tell. Prajwal SM, you tell what is its value?
Sir, only 3 square and root also, sir.
I want the value of this because I want to write the value directly.
Minus 18.
Once you tell,
Minus 18 square.
my
Root.
18 small correction. Arushi, you tell.
So, that 2 square and that root will get cancelled.
Okay.
Then, sir, 3 whole square is 3 square is 9.
Okay.
So 9 into 2 will be 18, and we have
That's
to put a minus.
enough. Okay. How simple it is? Apply square to both. 3 square is 9. Root 2 whole square is 2. 9 2s are 18. Arushi will go for prolonged way. Should tell spontaneously, quick as possible. It is 9 2s are 18. Right. Now this is equal. Here on there, right? 7 minus 3 into root 2 by
39.
49 minus 18. This will be 31. Yes.
31.
Coulomb, correct. It is 31. So our main intention is to convert that denominator into rational number. See, the denominator is 7 plus 3 into root 2, and it has been converted into rational number. That is 31. Just beside that, where 31 is a rational number. Finished up?
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
No, Ekta P.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me go for taking another one. 6. And put double star mark for this and write. It was asked in the examination as well. 6-1. Put double star mark. The question was like this. It is 5 plus 2 into root 3. 5 plus 2 times root 3 by 7 plus 4 times root 3. Listen, could you tell what difference do you find in this problem with previous problems?
Sir, previous problem numerator has
We have
Problem
numerator
monomial
one, sir. In this
numerator was
problem, we have
5 plus 2.
numerator
Here
is
that
national.
Very simple.
irrational.
You are telling story. You are telling story. I don't want.
numerator is binomial, sir.
In this problem, numerator, we have binomial irrational. In previous problem, we have just only a monomial, maybe rational or irrational. Yes. Let's go for finding its value. Go on writing with me. Prajwal, are you writing? The conjugate of the denominator. Write with me. Conjugate of denominator, that is 7 plus 4 into root 3 is 7 minus 4 into root 3. Next, write the given statement. It is 5 plus 2 into root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 into root 3. Without affecting this conjugate should be multiplied to the numerator and denominator. Right. 5 plus 2 into root 3 by 7 plus 4 into root 3 into multiply 7 minus 4 into root 3 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. This is equal to, just to look at the board. Look at the board here. Numerator terms are different. 5 plus 2 into root 3 into 7 minus 4 times root 3. We can go for multiplying like this. Multiply 5 with both the terms. Next, 2 into root 3 with both the terms. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. 5 into 7. You can write 7, 5 sevens are 35 directly, only to make you to understand. I'm increasing one step. 5
Sir,
into
explain
7.
another one time, sir. Explain another one.
Okay. Here we have, I'll give like this. A plus B into X plus Y is there. If the terms are different like this, then multiply A with X, A with Y. Next, B with X, B with Y. I'm doing the same. 5 into 7. Next, minus 5 into 4 root 3. Next, 2 root 3 into 7. 2 root 3 into 7 plus into minus minus 2 root 3 into 4 root 3. Hope that you have understood. Denominator. Denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus. can be written as a square minus b square. Right. A square is 7 whole square. B square 4 into root 3 whole square. If you have space, you may write the reason here. If not, just below that one, put bracket and write, because a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b.
Sir,
This is equal to. Let us simplify numerator. 5 sevens are 35. Please go on writing with me. Don't be lagging. Next, observe. This is 5 fours are 20. So minus 20 into root 3. Minus 20 into root 3. Then multiply coefficients. Here 2 and 7. 2 sevens are 14 into root 3. Plus 14 into root 3. Next, this is very important. Here, I'll write minus sign as it is. Multiply coefficients. 2 and 4. 2 fours are 8 into root 3 into root 3. That is root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. 3 will remain. 8 into 3. Ekta, are you following?
yes, sir.
Yes, just symbol is enough. Denominator 7 square. This is 49 minus 4 into root 3 whole square. Manya,
40.
I expect the value from your side. 4 into root 3 whole square.
4 into root 3 whole square, sir.
Yeah.
4 square is equal to 16 into 3. 16 into 3.
63 is how much?
54.
Where are you?
But
48.
48.
48.
Sorry, sir.
You are recalling the table 18. Okay, 16 3s are 48. Next, let's go for continue. Here are right. 35. Let me write this as it is. Now, Kaulashek, observe. Minus 20 times root 3. Here 14 times root 3. These two are like terms. Sanvi NT. Here. Bold. What is Kaulashek? Minus 20 plus 14.
Sir,
What is minus 20 plus 14?
16.
16. Sanvi? Lakshmi Shri?
Minus 6.
Sir, minus 6.
Very good. Minus 20 plus 14. You go for subtracting. Greater number has minus sign. So minus 6. Right. Minus 6 root 3. Then minus 8 3 is a 24. Minus 24 divided by 49 minus 48. It is 1. Now this is equal to 35 minus 24 is 11. Minus 6 into root 3 by 1. Now the problem is over. The denominator 1. It is a rational number. Here, the denominator irrational number is there. It is converted into rational.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Who is? Tell your name.
Rakshita B, sir.
Rakshita B. Yes, tell.
Sir, in numerator first 5 plus 2 root 3 is there, no, sir? First,
Ah,
we have to convert it into 5 minus 2 root 3.
No. See, what is the main question? Rationalize the denominator. We are focusing on denominator. Hence,
Okay, sir.
denominators conjugate should be taken.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತಗೋ.
Okay.
We are going to take only denominator. Did you
Okay,
understand?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Gaurav S, did you understand this? Oh, good boy. Now we are moving to another type. This is also very important in the examination point of view. See, I have been giving you the problem in the board point of view. Actually, earlier, even board exam was there for 9th standard as well. Now it is school examination. But let us focus on board examination only. Therefore, I'll take additional problems as well. Right. Second one. First question, total 5 sub questions are over. Now it is second one, very important. Find the values of A and B in each of the following. In each of the following. Each of the following. Listen. Dear students, every day I have been sending the link. Along with the link, one image is also given. Have you observed? Are you all observing that?
Yes, sir.
Or else just you are thinking that sir is creating one attractive image and giving the same? No. So the image what I have been giving, it is also meaningful. How meaningful it is? It will be related to the concept what we are going to learn. In today's image, have you come across this one? In today's image, finding the values
Yes,
of A
sir.
and B.
Yes, sir.
Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me go for taking one simple problem. It is, you are going to find out the values of A and B in each of the following. Again, with respect to rationalizing the denominator only, I'll take first one. This is √3 minus 1 by √3 plus 1. This is equal to, it should be expressed in terms of A and B. ನೀವೇ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A plus B, an irrational term is there. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? √3. So I'll write √3. A plus B into √3. This is the given statement. Now, using this statement, we have to find out the values of A and B. Let's go further. Please write with me. So far, we have learned how to rationalize the denominator. Here also, let's move on to the same. Right. The conjugate of denominator, that is √3 plus 1, is √3 minus 1. Written up. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Just to shake your head, I can understand. Okay. Are you all, wait, Lakshmi say, don't write. Are you thinking that why in this program, why should we go for rationalizing the denominator? Why it is not a numerator? Are you thinking so?
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes, sir.
You can write the same question. Sir, in previous problem, you had given rationalize the denominator so that we converted denominator into rational number. But here it is not mentioned. Then why do you go for rationalizing the denominator? Such question can be asked, no? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Then why don't you ask? Simply just you are following what I'm writing. I'll tell you. Here also we will go for rationalizing the denominator. The reason is, observe, in RHS side, what is in the denominator?
Nothing.
Nothing. Means what?
One.
1, which is a rational number. Illi rational number is. That is why we are going for rationalizing the denominator of left hand side. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right. Let's take one statement. It is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into, multiply the conjugate to the numerator and denominator.
Sir,
It is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is
sir,
equal.
minus one, sir.
Sir, minus
So
one,
minus
sir.
1.
Minus one, sir.
Minus 1.
Very good, very good. I appreciate your presence. We have multiplied conjugate to the numerator and denominator. And RHS side, you may write this a plus b into root 3 as it is. Now simplify LHS part. Don't put here equal sign. In the whole statement already they have equal sign. Right. Numerator. Observe root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. In which form it is?
A plus
A
B
minus
A minus B whole square.
minus B.
B whole square. To make you to understand, just I am extending one more step. It is repeated by 2 times. Hence I write root 3
Root 3 is 1 square.
Denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. You know that how to write this?
A square minus B square.
Root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. This is equal to a plus b into root 3. Here we won't expect you to write the identity. It is understood. Let me continue that here. Stop writing. Observe numerator term. It is root 3 minus 1 whole square. Shreya D. It is in the form of an identity a minus b whole square. Could you expand this? What is a minus b whole square? Shreya?
Yes, sir.
What is a minus b whole square?
A minus B whole square equals to A plus
Manasen, will you try? Chandana, you? Chandana, expand this. A minus b whole square.
root 9 minus
Oh, no. It should be expanded. That's. Could you
Sir, I'll
expand it?
expand, sir.
Sir, A plus B minus 2AB.
A minus b whole square. This is the
Minus
identity.
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Wait. I'm giving chance.
Sir, A square minus B square. Minus 2AB.
Vinandan, you have to sit quiet. When your turn comes, then you can respond. Yes, expand this.
A plus B minus 2AB. A square minus A square
A square
plus minus
plus
B square
b square
minus
minus
2AB.
2a. Yes, this is the identity. Last year only you have learnt about a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b into a minus b, x plus a into x plus b. Those should be recalled. Now it is a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2a. I'll expand this according to that. Just look here, don't try. Don't try, just observe the book. root 3 minus 1 whole square. It is of the form a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a is root 3, b is 1. It is root 3, 1. Then this is root 3 and this 1. Do you have any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
copy the same. Dheeraj, copy this. Giridhar, have you copied?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Next. Denominator. Root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. The square and root get cancelled. This is 3 minus 1 whole square is 1 only. This is equal to RHS side is a plus b into root. A plus b into root. Now, again continue to simplify LHS part. Lavanya, what is root 3 whole square?
3, sir.
3. 1 whole square?
1.
1. Multiply this. 2 into root 3
2
into
root
coefficients.
2 root 3.
2 into root 3. Very good. Next denominator.
2, sir.
2. Very good. This is equal to a plus b into root 3. Right? Now, observe. Observe. Here, 3 plus 1. These are whole number. These are integers. They should be simplified. Don't go for considering this minus 2. Only you have to simplify this. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 times root 3 as it is divided by 2, which is equal to a plus b into root 3. Shamita, could you tell how can it be simplified further?
2 and 4 gets cancelled, sir. Sir, 2 and 4 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2.
Volume. Now you tell.
Sir, 2 and 4 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2. Sir.
This is the common mistake done by the student. Any student. What they'll do is they'll cancel either 2 and 4 or they'll cancel 2 and 4. It is not possible. In the numerator we have 2 terms separated by minus sign. In a single term, you can cancel it. Understood? So here you can take out 2 as common factor. Please don't try. Understand this first. In the numerator, 2 and your common thought, you will get 2 2s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2 into root 3 divided by 2. This can also be written like this. 4 by 2 minus 2 into root 3 by 2. 2 2 cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s. Both will be same only. Okay. Here 2 minus root 3. Here also 2 minus root 3. Artha. You may take common factor and simplify, or else you can divide separately. 4 by 2 minus 2 into root 3 by 2. This is equal to a plus b into root 3. Next, cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are minus. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Right, 2 minus root 3. This is equal to a plus b into root 3. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shamita T. Ekbote, understood or not? Thumb symbol. If understood, upright.
ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Understood?
ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ
Inverted.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್
ಯಾವುದು?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
Doesn't
ಹೆಂಗ್
matter. It doesn't matter. Numerator, denominator turns ಇರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ. 2 and 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We'll write minus sign as it is. Now, observe. We are going to find out the values of A and B. Shamita, observe here, don't write. To find out the values of A and B, you have to compare the coefficients. A plus B into root 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ 2 minus root 3 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Could you tell what is in place of A?
2.
A value 2. In place of B,
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
so B is minus 1. So right now, on comparing coefficients, right? A is 2 and B is minus 1. Is important type of question. Please put double star mark for this.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, in case the question, the right hand side is in denominator, then we should conjugate the numerator, sir.
Means if they give A and B in the denominator,
Yes, sir.
yeah, should be done the same. Here, they are in the numerator, so that we are conjugating the denominator. If they are in the denominator, then go for conjugating the numerator. But we have to remember these two possibilities are there, but in our syllabus, they have focused on rationalizing the denominator. Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Renuka MY. Understood? Renuka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll go for taking another one. Next one, actually, this is also given in the examination. Just I have taken few examples. Only
how
from
much
the
marks sir how much marks sir
2 marks. 2 marks. Right. I've taken from your previous year question papers. Write down. The second one. 3 plus root 4. 3 plus root 4. By 3 minus 4 into root 7. Anybody would like to tell RHS side? Amrita NS.
Sir, A plus B root 7.
Very good, very good. It is A plus B into root 7. I can read root 7 is that. That's why we have to write root 7. Let's go for finding A and B. Same procedure what we followed earlier. Right. Conjugate of the denominator, that is 3 minus 4 into root 7 is 3 plus 4 into root 7. Mohita VG. Mohita VG, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
How many times I should call your name? Now, could you tell what is the next step? Mohita, what is the next step? Shreyas, what is the next step? Afrin Sheikh,
Sir.
Hema Yogesh, Rutusri, could you tell?
Multiply the conjugate to
Very good. Multiply the conjugate to the numerator and denominator. Such a simple thing it is. Very good, girl. Right. 3 plus root 7 as b divided by 3 minus 4 into root 7 as b. Now multiply the conjugate. Hema Yogesh, go on writing with me. 3 plus 4 into root 7 by 3 plus 4 into root 7. This is equal to RHS side is A plus B into root 7. Next, observe the numerator term. The terms are different. Hence, you should multiply 3 with both the terms, root 7 with both the terms. Go on writing with me.
Sir, it can be written in a plus b whole square, no, sir?
Who is Abhinandana? The terms are different.
I not.
If they are same, then you can write a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Here terms are different. Here 3 plus root 7 is there. Here 3 plus 4 times root 7 is there. Hence you should multiply each of these two terms with these.
Sir, you
Right.
can take x plus a into x plus b.
You can
Yes.
3 into 3 plus 3 into 4 root 7. Next, multiply root 7 with both the terms plus root 7 into 3 plus root 7 into 4 times root 7 divided by, whereas denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So we can write a square, that is 3 whole square, minus b square, where b is 4 into root 7.
Root 7.
That is equal to a plus b into root 7. Now let us simplify numerator. Write with me. It is 3 3s are 9.
9.
Plus, yeah, multiply only coefficients. 3 4s are Arushi. 3 4s are 12 into root 7 plus 3 into root 7 as it is plus 4 coefficient is 4 as it is. Sai Gaurav, what is root 7 into root 7?
That
Root 7 into root 7. Root 7 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. 7 will remain. Right, into 7. Next, denominator 3 whole square.
9.
It is 9 minus 4 into root 7 whole square. Apply square to 4. 4 square is 16 and root 7 whole square is 7.
7.
What is 7, sir?
96.
Getting to
96.
It is 112. That is equal to A plus B into root 7 as it is. Trupti?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we should add
root 7. 3 times root 7. How much?
12 plus 15 by root 7, sir.
15 times root 7. Next.
4 7, sir. 28, sir.
Very good. Okay. Then Tejasvi CP. Tejasvi, you tell. What is 9 minus 112?
103, sir.
Once you tell?
103, 103.
Ah, very good.
103.
Minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus, sir.
Minus. Because greater number has minus sign, so that it is minus 102. This is equal to A plus B into root 7.
Sir, 103, sir. Sir, 103, sir.
103 only.
You have written 102.
103 only.
Sir, you have written 102.
Rakshita B. Next step. Rakshita. Coefficients add not.
37.
4 numbers.
37.
37. 37.
37. I'm asking Rakshita. Plus. Rakshita, continue.
Yes, sir. 37 plus 20.
Not able to hear you.
28.
But 28 plus 9 is 37. It has been written. What is next one?
15 7. 15 root 7.
15 times root 7.
Root 7.
Divided by minus 103.
Minus
as
103. Okay.
This is equal to A plus
A
B
plus
into
B
root 7.
root 7.
Next, further. Now, divide each term by minus 103. Write with me. Minus 37 by 103. Next, minus 15 by 103 into root 7.
Sir, plus idala, sir. Minus, sir.
This is equal to A plus B into root 7.
Sir, ಅಲ್ಲಿ plus idala, sir. Minus ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, sir.
Minus 103.
Minus 37 by 103 minus, sir. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, sir. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ step.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು.
Minus 103 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದು ಒಂದೇ. Then just minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. It doesn't make any difference.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್. ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೆ minus 103 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಓಕೆ.
15 by minus 103. Nothing but minus 15 by 103.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Understood?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ A plus B by minus 7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Nothing but minus A minus B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ divided by 7. And this can be written as minus A by 7 minus b by 7 in the same way here also. Next. Lekha KV, could you tell the next step?
Sir, we should add.
No, what? Should we add them?
Sir, minus 37 minus 15.
No. These two are different. This is just an integer. This is an irrational. Rational and irrational numbers can be added, cannot be added or subtracted.
Multiplication. Multiplication.
Hey.
Multiplication, sir.
Where is multiplication sign?
Sir, I can.
Sir, can
Ah,
Sir, cancellation.
not I can. Sir, could I? That is the right usage. Sir, could I tell the answer? Or may I tell the answer? Yes.
Cancellation, sir, cancellation.
How do you cancel?
So we should write A is equal to minus equal to 37.
Sir, we have to compare, sir. We have to compare
Very
the
good.
numbers.
Who is telling that?
Shreyas Kulam.
Says Kulambi.
Yes, sir.
We have to compare. We cannot cancel them. So you can keep that as it is. Only we have to write the values of A and B directly and compare. Right. On comparing coefficients.
A is minus
Here,
37
in place of A,
minus 37.
by 103 is there. Then in place of B, minus 15 by 103 is there. Yes. Over. Now I'll give you one more. Even this was given in the examination. Right. This third one. Root 7 minus 1 by root 7 plus 1 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus 1. That is equal to Sumuk, could you tell RHS part? Sumuk, Siddesh BA, both of you can try. What could be RHS?
Sir, could I try, sir?
A plus B roots.
Wait. No. I'll give you chance. I've given chance to Sumuk and Siddesh.
Could I try, sir?
Sarthak, you can try.
Sir, A plus B root 7.
Very good. In root 7 is there. Just by observing only, you can decide yourself. Right. It is A plus B into root 7. That's all. Next. Now you may stop writing. Just look at them. Go through only LHS part. Lavanya, just observe the LHS part and tell your observation.
Sir, it's plus and minus both.
Very simple. Sir, all the terms are same. Only there is change in the sign. Root 7 minus 1, root 7 plus 1. But in root 7 plus 1, root 7 minus 1.
A minus B whole square.
Wait. This can be done by two methods. ಇದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Please do remember. 1 marking ಕೇಳೋದನ್ನ how we can go for in a shortcut method. I'll tell you that. And before that, let's move on to actual method. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, let us follow the same method to solve n. Yes, go for it. Here we have two terms. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ let's go for taking conjugate of the first denominator, then second denominator. Right? Conjugate of first denominator, root 7 plus 1.
Root 7 minus 1.
Minus. Second one, for that also, conjugate of second denominator, that is root 7
minus 1. Root 7 plus 1.
Next, it implies that. Let's write LHS part. In LHS part, two terms are there. I'll take part by part. First part, root 7 minus 1 by root 7 plus 1.
Into
Wait, don't tell. Ketan, could you tell what should be written?
Sir, could I write
Into root plus y root plus root 7 plus 1.
Amulya CK.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell what is the next step? Shreya,
Sir, we have to multiply, sir.
what should be multiplied?
Root 7 minus 1, sir, with both the terms.
Very good. ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator root 7 plus 1 ಇದೆ. Its conjugate is root 7 minus 1.
Next
Multiply.
step, sir, we have to
The numerator and
multiply
denominator.
into the conjugate.
Next. Minus. Take second term. Siddesh BA, what are you doing? Second term is root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus 1. Dhruti, yes, continue this step.
We should multiply by root 7 plus 1.
Very good. In the denominator, root 7 minus 1 is there. Multiply root 7 plus 1. That is this conjugate. Root 7 plus 1 in the numerator. Root 7 plus 1 in the denominator. It is equal to RHS as it is. A plus B into root 7. Next. Observe this. This is only this first part. Here root 7 minus 1, root 7 minus 1. It can be written as
A minus B whole square.
very good, very good.
A minus B whole square.
Wait. Now
Root
step
7 minus 1 whole square.
root 7 minus 1 whole square by denominator. It is already in the form A plus B into A minus B.
A square minus B.
A square minus
A square minus B square. That is 7 square minus 1 square. Minus. Let me go for taking
sir 7 roots.
A plus B whole square.
Denominator.
No, sorry.
plus
Root ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ sir ನೀವು.
Now, observe. Don't tell in between. Myself only will write. Numerator root 7 plus 1. Root 7 plus 1. We can write it as root 7 plus 1 whole square divided by denominator A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. That is root 7 whole square minus 1 whole square. This is equal to RHS. That is A plus B into root 7. Written up. Now let me go for simplify. See that root 7 minus 1 whole square. This is of the form a minus b whole square. On expanding that, you will come to know a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is root 7, b is 1. A is root 7 and b is 1. Divided by root 7 whole square is 7 minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus. Hope that you are writing with me.
Yes, sir.
Let me take second term. Root 7 plus 1 whole square is of the form a plus b whole square. Can be expanded as a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is root 7, b is 1. A is root 7, b is 1. Denominator. Again, root 7 whole square is 7 minus 1 whole square is 1. This is equal. RHS is a plus b root 7. Chaitanya sir, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good boy, good boy. Now, continue with me. Here, 7 root 7 whole square is 7 plus 1 whole square is 1 minus 2 ones are 2 root 7 whole divided by 7 minus 1 is 6. Next, put minus 1 minus next second term. Root 7 whole square is 7
7 plus 1.
plus 1 whole square is 1 plus 2 ones are 2. 2 into root 7 divided by here also 7 minus 1 is 6. That is equal to a plus b root 7. Prerana. Prerana. Can you hear me? Babel. Babel. Can you hear me? Are you comfortable with this explanation? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, good. Chetan, good.
sir,
Babel, yes or no?
sir, explain once again, sir. Sir,
Yes, yes. Who is this?
sir, Shubhan Penal Pit.
And pay. Which step? Last step or from last? Second step.
Sir, last third step, sir.
This is a.
Yes, sir. From the
Numerator. We have same terms. Root 7 minus 1, root 7 minus 1. Root 7 minus 1 whole square. Yeah, root 7 plus 1, root 7 plus 1. Root 7 plus 1 whole square. Denominator. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Here denominator. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. RHS as it is. Now we have used the identity. It is in the form a minus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a is root 7, b is 1. That has been substituted. Whereas second term, this is root 7 plus 1 whole square is of the form a plus b whole square. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a, we have written root 7, and in place of b, we have written 1. Next, denominator. A square minus b square. Root 7 whole square is 7. 1 whole square is 1. Similarly, here also. Next we have simplified. Root 7 whole square. You cancel square and root. So 7. 1 square is 1. Then it is 2 ones are 2 into root 7 as it is. Next minus sign. Square and root get cancelled. 7 as it is. 1 whole square is 1. Then 2 ones are 2 into root 7. Denominator. 7 minus 1 is 6. Here also 7 minus 1 is 6. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Gaurav? Okay. Amulya CK.
Yes, sir.
7 plus 1. Iveradu matra add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 7 plus 1 is 8 minus 2 into root 7 by
6.
6. Next. Minus, again 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 2 into root 7 divided by 6. This is equal to a plus b into root 7. Next. Will you go for cancelling 2 ones or 2 threes?
No, sir. We have
No, they
to
cannot be.
back
They cannot be.
cancel.
Cancel.
Then
Sir,
how
the
do you simplify?
Sir,
We have to write 8 by 6 minus 2 into root 7 by 6.
Okay. Can we go for simplifying by taking LCM?
yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The reason is one fraction. Here is one fraction. Fahim, I've been explaining, but you are writing. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. In that time you should write and finish up it. When the teacher is giving explanation, your attention should be here. Here one fraction, here is one fraction. Hence, let's go for simplifying this by taking LCM. LCM, denominator terms same is there. So we can write just 6. Numerator terms as it is. 8 minus 2 into root 7. You minus sign it. It's very important. Minus of 8 plus 2 into root 7. This is equal to a plus b into root 7. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Now let me continue that here. This is 8 minus 2 into root 7. Now multiply by minus. I'm multiplying by minus. It will
Minus
be
8.
-8
Minus
minus
2.
into plus
Minus 2.
2 into root 7.
Sir,
Minus
8 will cancel. We can
Very good.
cancel 8.
Plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled.
Minus
This is
4.
equal to a plus b into root 7.
Minus 4. Root
Next.
7.
Minus 2 times root
4
7.
root 7.
Minus 2 times root 7.
minus 4 into root 7.
Here are right. It is, can you write minus 4 times root 7?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Minus 4 times root 7 divided by 6 equal to a plus b root 7.
So 4 and 6.
Or 4 and 6 can be cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So minus 2 by 3 root 7 plus a plus b into root 7. Itana? ಈಗ
Sir,
ನಾವು
equals
A
a plus b.
find out ಮಾಡಿ.
Equal to.
What is in place of A?
Sir, equals will come, sir, after minus 2 by 3.
Yes, sir. Equals you put plus.
What will come in place of A?
1.
1.
0.
0, sir.
0. Here nothing is there. 0. Now you compare, right? On comparing coefficients. Right? A is 0, and B is minus 2 by 3. A is 0, then B is minus 2 by 3. Have you got it?
Sir.
Sir.
Shall we move on to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
One more method.
Sir, can another one method?
Very good. Thanks for reminding. I told you this can also be done in another method. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If it is asked for 1 mark, Prajwal SM, you are shaking like anything. Okay, good. Adjust it properly. I told you, if it is asked for 1 mark, we have to go for shortcut method. Let me teach you that shortcut method. Right, method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Look here. How in a simple way it can be done. Let me teach you that. Observe here. Observe. ಈಗ ನೀವೇನು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. Just keep on observing. ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ. ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಕೆ ಕಡಸಪ್ಳ. Please look at the board. When you observe that numerator denominator, they are conjugate to each other. Root 7 minus 1, root 7 plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, they are conjugate to each other. Okay. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ directly I go for taking LCM and simplify. ಈಗ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ LCM of the denominator, it is root 7 plus 1 into root 7 minus 1. Then cross multiply. Root 7 minus 1 into root 7 minus 1, root 7 minus 1 whole square minus root 7 plus 1, root 7 plus 1, root 7 plus 1 whole square. This is equal to A plus B root 7. Now observe, this is A plus B into A minus A square minus B square. ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಸಿಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀಯಮ್ಮ, ಬರಿಬೇಡ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, root 7 whole square minus 1 square, root 7 whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 minus 1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, 7 minus 1 6. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you know it go for A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this is one term minus this is another term is also form A square is 2 A square and this is B square, A square minus B square, A plus 3 into A minus 3. ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. A plus 3 is 2A root 7 minus 1 plus root 7 minus 1, sorry, plus 1. A plus B into A minus 3. A is root 7 minus 1 minus B is root 7 plus 1. Root 7 plus 1. Now this is equal to A plus B into root 7. Observe here, minus 1 plus 1 cancel out the term. This is root 7 plus root 7, 2 root 7. Then here root 7 minus root 7. Here it get cancelled. Minus 1 minus 1. It will be minus 2. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, explain once last.
Sir, explain once, sir.
Explain once last step.
See, this is a square, this is b square. It can be written as a plus b into a minus. A is root 7 minus 1 plus b is root 7 plus 1 into a minus 2. Root 7 minus 1 minus 1. B is root 7 plus 1. Now here minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. Root 7 plus root 7, 2 root 7. Next, here root 7 minus 1 multiplied by minus root 7 minus 1. Minus root 7 plus root 7 get cancelled. Minus 1 minus 1, it will be minus 1. This is equal to, sorry, divided by 6 equal to a plus b into root 7. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, it should be simplified. Let me go for simplifying this, and before that, Varita, first write this.
Sir, if we could cancel there, no, sir, in the first equation, why we can't cancel in the second one? Means like that minus 1 plus 1, there you cancel, no, sir. Why we can't cancel
First
there?
step or second step?
Yes, sir. Second
Where?
step, sir.
Here,
Yes, sir.
many of you are in confusion regarding this. I'll explain. First, you write this method 2. Method 2. Write this. LCM root 7 plus 1 into root 7 minus 1. Then cross multiply. Root 7 minus 1 into root 7 minus 1 whole square. Then cross multiply. Root 7 plus 1, root 7 plus 1 whole square. Divided by. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Let us write that in the next step. Is equal to a plus b into root 7. Next. Identity a minus b, a plus b ne ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is root 7 minus 1 whole square is of the form a minus b whole square. A square root 7 whole square is 7 plus b square 1 square is 1 minus 2ab 2 into root 7 into 1 2 root 7 minus of ಇದು a plus b whole square. A square root 7 whole square is 7 plus b square 1 square is 1 plus 2ab 2 into root 7 into 1 2 root 7 divided by ಇದು a square minus b square, that is root 7 whole square is 7 minus 1 whole square is 1, which is equal to a plus b into root 7. Yes, let me continue that way. Here, 8 minus 2 root 7. 8 minus 2 into root 7. Next, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2 root 7 is there. When you multiply by minus sign, you will get minus 8 minus 2 root 7. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amulya CK, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ನೋಡಿ 7 plus 1 8 ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then 2 root 7 ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 root 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Divided by 7 minus 1, it is 6.
6.
Next, it is equal to a plus b into root 7. Now minus 8 plus 8 cancel out. You will get minus 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7 minus 4 into root 7 or 6 It is equal to a plus b into root 7. Up to ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now cancel it. You'll get 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Minus 2 by 3 into root 7 equal to a plus b into root 7. In place of a, nothing is there. It is 0. Same thing. Now you compare. On comparing coefficients. On comparing coefficients, right? A is 0 and B is minus 2 by 3. That's all. A is 0 and B is minus 2 by 3.
Sir, send its recording, sir.
Finished up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Listen to me. Listen. Prerna, complete data. Siddesh BA. Arvind B. Dodagowda. Afrin Sheikh. Ranjan R. Pisale.
Yes, sir.
Listen to. Next, we are moving to another type. Just I'll give you the hint. You go for trying this. Right? This is third question. Third question.
Fourth one, sir.
If x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then find x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x. Just look at them. I'll give you the hint. Just in brief, I'll go for explaining it. You can do that yourself. Here x is given. Shreyas, x is given here. It is 2 plus root 3. You are going to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. If you want to find out the value of this, you must know 1 by x. Have I given 1 by x?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Just look at it. Just I'm going to give you some explanation. Based on that, you should try that yourself. X is given, x is 2 plus root 3, and you want 1 by x. 1 by x is 1 by x is nothing but 2 plus root 3. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು by taking the conjugate. Conjugate of the denominator is 2 minus root 3. That should be multiplied to the numerator and denominator. Let your attention be here. Chaitanya sir. This is equal to numerator. It will be 2 minus root 3. Denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. This is 2 square minus root 3 whole square. 2 square means 4. Minus root 3 whole square is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So it will be 2 minus root 3 by 1. 1 by x value goes by. Then we have to find out x plus 1 by x. X is 2 plus root 3. Plus 1 by x, we have found out. It is 2 minus root 3. So minus root 3 plus root 3 get cancelled. X 2 plus 2 is 4. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Given this type question was also given in the examination. Now, Prerna, don't write. Just listen to me. It is time to conclude the class. Before that, let me give you the information regarding tomorrow's test. Tomorrow you have weekly test. Timing probably it is after 8 or 8:30. I'll give you that information in the message only. Okay. The syllabus. Syllabus it is from exercise 1.3, right? Up to including this problem. Including this problem.
Okay, sir.
Alone. In the last week, we had covered up to representing irrational number on the number line. Adu admere, whatever the next part is there, from there up to here. Tomorrow you have weekly test, online weekly test. Timing will be given in the group
Sir,
message
side
only,
please, sir.
and it is for either 20 or 25 marks. Note it,
sir.
probably it is 25 marks only, because different types of problems we have come across. So that 25 marks get ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Get ready for that. Do practice
Sir.
as soon as possible.
Sir, side please, sir. Sir, side please, sir.
Abhinandan, first listen. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ okay. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.